Safety Toolbox Talk number 224. Prevention of waterborne disease. Vegetable to be washed several times before cooking until completely clean. Cooked food to be kept covered, protecting from flies/ants, etc. Suitable arrangement to be made to remove accumulated water. Avoid non-veg food. Overnight food should be avoided. Consume hot fresh food as far as possible. Identify cholera and typhoid vaccination agencies so that they can be called immediately when the emergency arises. For any common symptoms like fever, vomit, diarrhea. If anybody has the illness, please do not delay and take medication, consulting the RILWFC/doctor at the earliest. All the workmen shall be instructed to use municipal/boiled/mineral water cans. Consumption of food outside shop/eatery may be avoided as far as possible. Thank you.